So we're in Clovis, California, and we've got we're taking a look at a water leak right here. It's behind the metal bracket. We can't see it right now, but you can see the water dripping down. But if I pull this out, I think we'll be able to see it right behind here. Hopefully, not too much water will spray out. Sprayed right at my phone, but you can see right there. That's where it's spraying. So Southern Clovis, California, we shut the video off before we were actually finished recording. But we have the repair going on right now. This is the pipe that came out, it's NIBCO. And honestly, I don't know. We don't use, number one, we don't use PEX, which is NIBCO, Sharkbite, Zern. We use Apex, which is the Uponor tubing. 25-year guarantee on the pipe, 100-year life expectancy. So I don't know what the guarantee is on this. I would get a hold of NIBCO. So the pipe is spraying behind here. We couldn't identify it with the camera because it was behind this metal bracket, and this is an approved mounting bracket, by the way. This is what everybody uses to install plastic. We don't. We make a transition from plastic typically to brass, or we use a bullet, which is copper that comes up to here, and the transition takes place up here with no metal against plastic. But this is just the way it gets installed. Same thing at our house. Every home that's being built, that's the bracket they use. It just mounts to the wood, and then you slide the pipe through. So it's the hot side. You can see all the calcium build up. We have very hard water here in Clovis, Fresno, and so you can see all the hard water that's built up that was rolling down. And of course, you know, they've got everything demoed back. You can see the rusting happening here, and then of course, you know, the water down there. But right in here, if we're going to leave the valve on, this is the piece, it's leaking somewhere right in here. And then of course, you know, they can send this to NIBCO. You know, they can cap this off, cap that off, pump it up, and pinpoint where this is leaking at. To me, it's defective. It's installed correctly, and you know, we use, like I say, we use a different product. So I can't say anything more about the manufacturer. All I know is it's their products. You have to get a hold of them, find out what their warranty is on the product, number one, and then find out, you know, whether they feel that it's covered under that warranty and whatnot. All I know is we're repairing it. This tubing is Uponor tubing, and the reason we install it is because of the guarantee. It's a 25-year guarantee, and I don't know anything about NIBCO. Nothing good, nothing bad. That's just what it says on the pipe. So this is for you. You can send it to them. We're going to get this water turned back on in a minute. We're hooking up the faucet on the other side. So what we've done on the other side, in here we've got the valve, which has a ferrule on the inside. And then of course there's a stainless steel sleeve that needs to go in. All PEX pipe when you put a compression stop on there. And so normally, you know, once you tighten this guy down on there, it's that compression sleeve is not going to come back off. So we just give you a new valve. You know, it's a new quarter turn shutoff valve, and then we're replacing the supply line as well. On the other side, we're going to put one of these ProFlow, not ProFlow, but Fluid Master braided stainless steel supply lines. The reason why is they have Quest tubing over there, the rigid 3/8 tubing that goes up to the faucet, and we don't like to reuse anything gasketed. You know, when we install a new angle stop and tie things back in, especially when you have water damage already. We'd like to give you a new supply line as well. So anyways, we'll take a video. Video in here is done. We're going to go in the other bathroom, take a video of what's happening in there. And so here we are underneath the sink. So this is the front side. Back side is where we did the repair, and that's the first portion of the video. You can see down here we now have a quarter turn shutoff valve, and you can see there's the red stub through. Put the escutcheon back on, and these are quarter turn shutoff valves, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then a 3/8 by 1/2 inch by 20 inch braided stainless steel supply to the faucet. So everything looks dry in here, and of course we already took a video of the other side. We're going to run some water through the sink here and bleed the air out of the lines, and just hang tight a little bit, make sure nothing develops. And but outside of that, this installation is done.